What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am the Dividend Team. Today I'm going to talk about how to get started with investing with only just $100. But first, if you're new, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. I'm going to share with you a few stocks that you can kind of like jump into if you probably only have $100, and if you're new. It's a good way to start if you don't have a lot of money and you just want to kind of get in and get started. So I'll go through a few that I think would be a few good stocks that I think would be good to invest with, but you probably you can hold and buy and hold for the long term. I know investing can be overwhelming for a new investor, so the first one I have is Cisco. It's a good company, also got a good dividend with a good market cap. We think about Cisco, we think about software and networking and communication. We also talk about routers and wireless, network management. So, pretty good company. You can buy and you hold for the long term. So there's one right there. Let's go through another one. There were BJ's. That's a good company. You got your Krogers and your Costco's, but BJ is another good company that can possibly you can buy and hold. Competing with Walmart and things like that, and good market cap. So definitely that's a good one to get into. Let's go through another one. Foot Locker, good shoe company. I already know, the pandemic. Probably Foot Locker took a hit, but I'm assuming with online sales and everything going on, you see it's like it's going to rise in the past month or so, or the past year. Also get a good dividend, good market cap. That's a pretty good one. And last, I think I already said already, and Kroger, another good one. Also got a good dividend yield with a decent market cap. So yeah, there's just a few stocks that you can kind of get into. You want to have $100, or you need to investing just to get out there and start with and play around with. And then I think I'm gonna be doing more videos like these in the future, especially for beginners, because I know how investing can be overwhelming for new investors, and so many stocks, so many things, so many variables to look at. But yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of stocks that are good for for beginners or maybe that you start out with, and I'll look forward to reading them. If you're new, like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and let's go.